Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of you have been asking me about, whether or not HoneyBook works internationally. Before I get into the nitty-gritty, I want to give you a little bit of background on HoneyBook. HoneyBook is a client management software that helps you keep track of your projects, invoices, and payments. It's a great tool for freelancers and small business owners, and it's especially useful if you work with clients from all over the world. So, does HoneyBook work internationally? The short answer is yes. HoneyBook supports users in over 180 countries, so you can use it to manage your clients no matter where they are located. Benefits of using HoneyBook internationally. There are a number of benefits to using HoneyBook internationally. Here are a few of the most important ones. Multi-currency support. HoneyBook supports over 20 currencies, so you can easily track your expenses and invoices in your preferred currency. Time zone support. HoneyBook automatically adjusts to your client's time zone, so you can make sure that you're always communicating with them at the right time. Translation support. HoneyBook offers a translation feature that allows you to translate your emails, proposals, and invoices into over 20 languages. International tax support. HoneyBook can help you track your international taxes and prepare your tax returns. How to use HoneyBook internationally. If you're interested in using HoneyBook internationally, there are a few things you need to do. Create a HoneyBook account. If you don't already have a HoneyBook account, you can create one for free. Select your country. When you create your account, you'll need to select your country. This will help HoneyBook to automatically set your currency and time zone. Add your clients. Once you've created your account, you can add your clients. You'll need to provide their name, email address, and country. Start using HoneyBook. Once you've added your clients, you can start using HoneyBook to manage your projects, invoices, and payments. Additional tips for using HoneyBook internationally. Communicate with your clients regularly. It's important to stay in touch with your clients, especially if you're working across time zones. Be sure to set up regular communication channels, such as email or video calls. Use a translation tool. If you're not fluent in your client's language, you can use a translation tool to help you communicate. Be aware of the time difference. When you're working with clients in different time zones, it's important to be aware of the time difference. Make sure you schedule meetings and calls at a time that is convenient for both you and your client. Use a currency converter. If you're working with clients in different currencies, it's important to use a currency converter to make sure that you're getting the right exchange rate. HoneyBook is a great tool for managing your clients internationally. It's easy to use, and it offers a variety of features that can help you stay organized and productive. If you're looking for a client management software that can help you work with clients from all over the world, I highly recommend HoneyBook. If you're interested in learning more about HoneyBook, please click on the link below. You can also sign up for a free trial of HoneyBook to see how it can help you manage your international clients. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on how to run a successful business.